strategies, if like they're working for them, I don't have a say. I cannot say no, you're not making money. I don't have a say. Understand? Let's not talk about that. Ne? We're talking about mistake and whatever. We have those meanings. Ne? Some of you like in the group. I think I've been writing the book. Ne? I did not complete it yet, but then soon like it's gonna be finished. Those terminology. Some people they don't need to, they need to know. We have break of structure, which it's POS. We have POI. We have POI, which is point of interest. We have IMP, which is imbalance. Then we have LQ, which is liquidity. We have EQR, which is equal lows. We have EQH, which is equal highs. Then we have COS, which is correction of structure. Okay, so then we've done looking for a sell opportunity. This is my sell opportunity I got from 15 minutes. So what I want to show you now, I think people they getting confused how to identify an order block. Ne? Let me just show you how to identify an order block. An order block, guys, it's just a bearish candle before the bullish one. It's just a bullish candle before the bearish one. Let's say we had this kind of candlesticks. This kind of candlesticks. Let's say it went down since we're choosing down direction. Then let's take it as those are just candlesticks. This is red. This is green. Okay. Those are candlesticks. This is just an example. Ne? This is just an example. I'm just making an example so everyone can understand how to identify and valid order block. How do I do that? So I just want to show you. Let's say those are candlesticks. Ne? Okay, now, as I was saying, guys, now, let's say this is the candlestick I'm talking about. You know? The left candlestick, you know, before like this one with the momentum, this one with the momentum. What even if it's not a momentum, you know? Even if it's not a momentum, but the red candlestick before this one, that's your point of interest. This is where you highlight your point of interest. And then now highlight order block. You don't need like to highlight all those candlesticks like this. You don't do that. You don't do that. Understand? You don't highlight your order block like this. No, you just do it like just cover the all candle, the bearish candlesticks, the bearish candle before this one, before the other one choosing the direction. That's your point of interest there. You don't need to cover the whole candlestick or like whatever. You just cover the whole candlestick of the previous one. Let me just put it this way. Let me just put it this way. Let me do it like this. Let me just put it this way. Let's say it broke the structure. Then you're looking to buy it. You wait for a price. wait for the price like to continue with whatever it's doing. With whatever it's doing, let's say like it's just moving. This is just an example. It's not something like I mean, like price can move like this. This is just an example. Then slowly, when it comes straight, when it comes back, I mean, when it comes back straight to your point of interest, right here, this is where you're looking to buy it. I mean to say to sell it. This is where you're looking to sell it. This is where I'm gonna enter with myself. This is where I'm going to sell it on this area right here. So what do I mean? What do I mean? How do I identify it? Like how to identify a valid point of interest. So I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you now. How do I do it? Why is it so simple for me like to choose like the valid point of interest always? So I'm gonna do it for you. It's easy, guys. Let's go. Let's come here. Let's come here. Remember what I said. When order block gets always valid after a break of structure. Okay, this is our cell setup. Let's just delete everything. You know we're holding a cell here, but then you must lock your profits, guys. You must lock your profits. You must lock your profits. No, don't panic. Don't panic. It's gonna drop. Don't panic. It's gonna drop. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. That's gonna drop as soon as this can just take its close with the bearish. This is our another confirmation to hold. So if like I was using trend line, I still get like the same view. I still get the same view. I still get the same confirmation. Okay, this is a sell. You need to look for sell opportunities. But let me just go to another pair. What can I analyze? Diamond data. Let's check diamond data. Let's check.
USD. Let's check out USD there, my man. Please.
Okay, you want USD?
Aware.
Okay. Perfect. You see how accurate was this? You see how accurate was this setup? I didn't saw it. I forgot about USD, you know. I forgot it. Like I won't lie, I forgot it. This is how I saw it.
Hey, I'm still eating from this. Hey, I'm still eating. Hey, it's copying.
You're still eating.
Hey, I'm still eating.
Yeah, you know, I'm happy because like everyone in the group, like you have progress, guys. Like I see more progress. You know, I'm happy to see it. When you're eating, we all eating, right? I nearly forgot like about this USDT setup. Like I almost forget this USDT setup. But I don't think it's too late for me to enter. I will just monitor the trade, but I won't go too deep. I will also enter this setup.
Sweet.
So yeah, USDT. Let me just say it. USDT is moving nice. I forgot it, and I've analyzed it on the live video. I forgot it, you know. I forgot USD. Not late. 16 that says I took 10 to do. Yeah. So now we sold Nasdaq. We sold USDT. So you are in deep blues, right?
Yeah, my God. Excuse me.
Okay.
I just
So
looked in
for me, like to analyze USDT now. I think I've done it already. USDT is gonna drop.
Yeah,
USDT is definitely gonna drop. As I said yesterday, most
absolutely.
of trade, remember, the market, the price was just here. I said
Yeah.
that USDT will go up a little bit to complete what? To go straight to a order block, to our point of interest. Then after then, it will continue with what? With the down movement. Your take profit
Hey,
must be here.
wonderful.
This is where your take
Wonderful.
profit must be. Just right here.
Yeah.
This is the take profit here. Okay, perfect. I think for the day, like we had enough. I don't know if like you want us to continue, but what we're gonna analyze, unless if like we're gonna wait and do another session at 16:30 with the fundamental
It's
New
fine. Yeah,
York
it's
session,
fine. 16
it's
feet.
gonna be much better.
All right, bro. Yes, yeah.
You understand?
16 dates will do.
If we're gonna catch it at 16:30, then go to sharp, no problem.
Sweet.
No problem. What over sharp here?
Yeah, so retrade it live, Wawa.
Sure, my G.
Thank you guys, man.
Same applies.
Yeah, I'm glad you guys getting a lot of information from me. Now I love or
Right.
redirect. Let's make money, guys. Like it's
Make
like
man.
what am I?
Hey,
Understand?
same
It's like let's make money, gents. I don't have much to say, but what I can say, let's make money. Let's continue making money together.
our my G.
Sharp, gents.
How you inspired, oh.
Sharp. Low and out inspire Baba.
Hey, thank you.
Sharp, gents.